Welcome back to my channel. All right, so today I want to talk about chicken Alfredo. Love going to the restaurant, Olive Garden, any of those restaurants like that serve it. But come on, man, $50 a plate for food? So in today's video, I want to challenge you as my viewers to see if I make a better chicken Alfredo than Olive Garden. So come on with me. Let me show you how I put this together. All right, so I got it here. I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm going to go ahead and trim them up, trim the fat off of there. And then we're going to go ahead and slice them nice and thin. What we're going to do now is I'll get this out of the way so you can see. I want to go lengthwise across the chicken. I just want to make strips like that. Just like that. That's as big as you want the strips. You don't want them too big, but you don't want them real small either. Nice strips just like that. I'm not going to bore you with that. We'll get these done. When we come back, we'll show you the next part. Got my pan here. I got some olive oil. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm going to take the chicken, put the chicken right on in there. Just like that. I have a mix of rosemary, a little bit of thyme, a little sage, a little parsley, a little oregano. And we're just going to whack it all in there. I'd say 3 nice pinches. Let that cook for about 5 minutes. We'll keep on turning them. I'll come back and show you the next part. All right, folks, so while we have the chicken cooking over here, I'm going to get another pot ready. Put about 4 cups of water in there. And we're going to boil our fettuccine noodles. Now, I just have some great value fettuccine noodles. Let this come up to a boil. Go ahead, we're going to add the whole box right in. That chicken is cooking up nice. All right, while this chicken is going, while we got the water going, I want to show you what we're going to do next. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get our cheese blend together. This is going to be a 4 cheese blend. First one here is I have some Parmesan cheese, and I want to grate about half a cup. So we're just going to grate that, just like that. Now this grater has a little tray right in there, so it catches everything when it comes out. So go ahead and grate this, and then we'll work on the rest. All right, next one I have some Romano cheese. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to get about half a cup of that. And just like that, we got the Romano cheese. Now, for the last cheese here, I have some Asiago. That's the 3rd cheese we're going to be using. The same thing, we're going to run it through the grater. And then the last one we have, pretty simple. Oop, that broke. Very simple. Last one we have is some mozzarella cheese, which is already shredded. So I don't have to run this through the shredder. Guys, be careful. You don't want to run the shredder across your fingers because it will hurt like hell. All right, there is our 3 cheese. And then we have our mozzarella cheese. That's our 4 cheese blend. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and take this chicken out of here now. We're going to move it, put it into a bowl. And then we are going to get our sauce. First ingredient, I want a nice big helping tablespoon of garlic. Never hurts to put a little bit extra in there. Keep the vampires away. All right. Get that in there. Wait until you smell that nice aroma of the garlic. Just like that. Here's where it gets really fun, guys. I got 2 cups of whole milk. Right on in. There's that Asiago Parmesan and that Reggiano. Go ahead and put that right in there. About half a cup of that shredded mozzarella. That's going to make a nice cheese blend. Go ahead and stir that right on in. Just like this. All right. Let this melt down. And then we'll add our chicken back into it. Back in a minute. All right, guys, just an FYI, I went ahead and all the cheese is melted down. Now what you want to do is you want to bring this up to a low simmer. You want to constantly keep stirring it. What's going to happen is that milk and that moisture is going to start to evaporate out of there. And this is going to get a nice thick sauce. Not going to be super thick. It's actually going to be very thin, which is what you want because you want to be able to coat all the noodles with the sauce, but you don't want it so thin that it just runs off everything. So it's a nice happy medium. So you're just going to keep on mixing it left and right, back and forth. Let that boil. Now be careful because it is milk, so if you stop and you let it boil, it's going to boil right up. And we're going to let this go for about another 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the thickness. And we'll just keep on stirring back and forth. Don't stop stirring. That's the most important thing. Don't stop. Just like that. All right, guys. We're going to go ahead and get our pasta noodles, put it in the water, and then when we come back, we'll plate this up. All right. So as you can see, it has thickened up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and just shut it off. We're going to add our chicken right back into it. And that way the chicken will finish cooking right inside and get all nice and happy. Just like that. Go ahead and put a lid on it. Come over here to the water. I'm pretty sure water is self-explanatory, but first off, I like to do this because I don't know where you come from, but my water doesn't come already pre-seasoned. So add a little bit of salt to the water. We'll just go ahead and dump right on in. One last thing we want to do is take a grater, and I want to take some of that Parmesan cheese. I just want to grate it a little bit as a sprinkle over top of our chicken Alfredo. Alrighty, noodles are done. We're going to go ahead and strain these and put them in with the chicken and the sauce. We'll go ahead, got the noodles all strained and drained. We'll go ahead and put the noodles right on in. Like that. Now I know in the restaurant you're going to get it all fancy. They give you the chicken first, and then they give you the gravy, and they put the noodles on top, all that happy horse shit. This is a house, not a restaurant. What we're going to do is just going to mix everything right on in. I'm telling you, if you could smell this right now, if you had smell-o-vision right now, oh my Jesus. It smells absolutely phenomenal. My mom's over here right now drooling as usual. She's ready to dig in even before this is all done. Even before the video is complete, she's ready to dig on in. All right.
He's not joking.
No, I'm not. Guys,
it absolutely smells divine.
We're going to go ahead and plate this up. We'll grab a couple pictures, and we'll have a taste test and see how we did. All right, guys. I took a little bit of that Parmesan cheese that I grated. I put some of it to the side, and we're just going to sprinkle a little bit over top. Give it all nice and happy like. All right. Grab some pictures, and we'll have a taste test. All right, folks, real quick, I want to ask, leave a comment down below. Do we give Mom a platter? Yes or no? I think that's a yes. All right, guys, let's have a taste test, see how we did. Your fork's over there.
You didn't give me a fork to eat.
There's plenty of them in the drawer.
Oh, Dave.
Cheers, everyone. See how we did. Mom cannot do noodles. She can't spin them around. Anyway, cheers.
Oh, that is good. Very, very good.
There it is, guys. Chicken Alfredo, homemade. Save you a ton of money, ton of time, and you know what's going in. Until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats. Love you all.